Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact track or aux channel you'll process. Click the Audio FX slot and insert the plugin. Choose O or OV3 depending on compatibility. Once inserted, set the plugin's input and output routing and enable monitoring so you hear changes in real time. Make sure CPU-safe buffer settings are active if you expect heavy processing. This first pass gets the plugin online and audible. Next, you'll configure parameters and automate behavior for musical results. Now, focus on the plugin's controls. Tweak threshold, ratio, attack, and release for dynamics. Adjust EQ bands and wet/dry mix to taste. Once done, chain additional plugins. Compressor before or after EQ changes character, so reorder if tonal balance shifts. Use a send to an aux for parallel compression or saturation to preserve transients while adding weight. Make sure to audition with solo and full mix to verify context. If a preset behaves oddly, rescan or update the plugin list and reload. Finish by automating crucial parameters, gain, cutoff, mix, so the effect moves with your arrangement, draw automation lanes or record tweak moves. Save the channel strip as a preset and save the project with a version name to recall states later. If things go wrong, try toggling the plugin offline, reset the audio unit cache in Logic's plugin manager, and restart the app. This often resolves crashes or missing UI. If issues persist, update the plugin or check compatibility notes before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.